Hello there, welcome back. So OnePlus 9RT, the successor of OnePlus 9R, is currently scheduled for a launch on the 13th of October. And before the launch we have some cool stuff to share with you guys, so stay tuned and I'll be back right after this. So first off, let me tell you that this flagship phone is not likely to deviate much from the basic design language of the OnePlus 9R. Meaning, it will mostly be similar in design to OnePlus 9R, but the internals will get an upgrade. The most significant change will be in the processing. It will beef up from Snapdragon 870 to Snapdragon 888, coupled with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. To keep everything cool, OnePlus will implement an improved cooling system that includes a cooling plate, and OnePlus claims that it's the biggest in any of its phones so far. So gaming on this phone will be a breeze. Not just that, keeping a phone cool also means that the battery health or life of the device can be extended, and apps that might require more processing power will be able to run at optimal levels instead of throttling the performance. The device will have support for virtual RAM of up to 7GB on top of 8GB or 12GB of RAM, so that you never fall short of RAM, and it will be easy to keep apps in memory for better multitasking. Another aspect that is directed towards gamers is the display. It's a 6.55-inch Samsung E4 120Hz OLED panel with a support for a 600Hz ultra-sensitive touch display. It doesn't break any records, but gamers will be happy with the touch response on this phone. And mind you, it will not be advertised as a gaming phone. It's not directed towards gamers like the phones that are specifically made for gaming, but it will carry the task very efficiently. About its battery, the phone will pack a 4500 mAh battery. It will also come with Warp Charge 65T fast charging support. In the camera department, the phone is expected to have a Sony IMX766 50MP primary sensor, which you have already seen on OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro sensor and a 2MP monochrome sensor. On the front side, there will be a 16MP sensor for taking selfies and video calls. Coming to the software, the OnePlus 9RT will be running the ColorOS 12 based on Android 11 operating system. We don't know for sure whether they will call it ColorOS or OxygenOS, but we do know that they are basically one and the same. So that's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.